Hello, welcome to Scratch 3D Printing. In this video, I'm going to go over some items you might want to pick up during Amazon Big Prime Day, October 7 through October 8, 2025. Let's scratch today's topic. Amazon Big Prime Day is coming. It's October 7 through 8. During this time, they're going to have some huge sales going on. They're going to have coupons, going to have all the goodies going on. And I think it might be the right time to pick up some extra accessories for your 3D printing. For me, I'm going to be grabbing some extra tools, some extra screws, some heat sinks, just some stuff here and there so that I can make more content for you guys. But here are some things that I think you might want to have in your 3D printing journey, and these are the tools and accessory I use 90% of the time. There's no order in this list. These are just the stuff that I'm going to be listing and I use. The first item on the list is a caliper. Just a basic caliper like this that you can just go back and forth, that you can also change from millimeters to inch to fraction inch and back to millimeters, so that you can just change from millimeter to inches, which is really convenient and it works pretty good, pretty accurate. You can measure the outside diameter or you can measure the inside diameter, and you can also measure how tall things is. And I found this really good for 3D printing. A ruler works, but not as good as this. So this is one of the things that if I don't have, I'm going to be picking up. The next item on the list is a tweezer. I know it's just a simple tweezer, but this is really crucial for 3D printing. If you like printing minifigures, this is the perfect tool for grabbing stuff and putting here, or assembling small parts. This is really good. Tight space, this is good. For leverages, it's really good. This is just overall an amazing tool. I've been using this for so long now, and I think now is the perfect time for me to pick up a new tweezer. This has been serving me great. The next item on the list is a flat plier. This is really good for taking off support, getting an angle, just cutting things off, cutting filament. A plier is like one of the tools that you use a lot. Without this tool, 3D printing for me is can be quite difficult for taking off support, just getting too tight angle and flat cut. This tool overall is just an amazing tool. Next on the list are these pins right here. These pins right here are for clearing clogs on your 3D printers. So you use one of these. So you will grab one of these and shove it into the nozzle to clear clogs. So these are things to consider picking up for Amazon Big Prime Day. Just unclogging your nozzle, which is a very common in 3D printing. In this pack, it comes with all sizes of needles from 0.2 millimeters all the way to 1 millimeters and even bigger. Next on the list is screwdrivers and Allen wrench. And these ball Allen wrench, I like the ball Allen wrench a lot better than the regular. When I first started 3D printing, I was like, I'm never gonna use screw ever again. But then guess what? I use so many screw, and that is gonna be next on the list. But yeah, just regular screwdrivers and Allen wrench, because 3D printing parts, like 90% is Allen wrench. And even though I got so many of these from buying 3D printers and just buying accessories for 3D printing, I went ahead and bought myself Craftsman Allen wrench. It goes from 1.5 all the way to 10 so that I can use these for any application. And these are ball-ended Allen wrench, which is my preferred Allen wrench to use. I'll leave everything linked in the description down below for Amazon Big Prime Day. Next on the list is a blowtorch. I never really thought I'm gonna need a blowtorch, but hey, guess what? I got myself one. Just in case you have 3D printed part that is kind of stringy like this, you can just wipe it away. Yeah, this is just one of the accessory tools that you don't really need it, but it's really cool to have. Next on the list to pick up for Amazon Big Prime Day is some heat insert and screws, all types of screw. This pack goes from M2 all the way to M5. And this one also goes to M2 all the way to M6. 3D printing, you really need these if you are going to be printing some functional parts. And look at this, I bought myself so many M3s because it's the most common type of screw that I use. Next on the list is wires, heat shrinks, and all of the good stuff right here. If you're a person that like to use 3D printing for functional part with electronics, then yeah, pick up yourself some wire for Amazon Big Prime Day. Just with this box, you have lots of value in here. You get 6 rows of wires and it's a lot. I've been using this for years now and I have not run out, which is quite good, right? Next on the list is a deburring tool. These are so amazing. I used to use a knife to get good edges, but that does not work. It's not for that. So I don't use that anymore. I use a deburring tool. You just do this and it comes out very clean, leaving your 3D printed part a very nice clean edge. And this is really good for taking off brims of a 3D printing part. So if you haven't yet, grab yourself a deburring tool. Next on the list is just molder. This is a project I'm working on, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, grab yourself some molders, I guess. If you like making things spins or like making small project cars, grab yourself some molder during Amazon Big Prime Day. I'm gonna grab myself a couple more. Next on the list is magnets. Yes, I like magnets. I never thought I'm gonna be using magnets in my 3D printing life journey, but hey, magnets is very fun. It's a really cool new way of connecting things together, making it look seamless without using any screw. It's not going to be as strong as screw, but some parts are worth using magnets, and I'm going to be using magnet for my upcoming project. So subscribe if you don't want to miss that video. Next on the list is a soldering tool. When I first started 3D printing, I bought this soldering kit a long time ago, and I gotta say, it's not the best kit. And I think I'm gonna be buying myself a soldering kit this Amazon Big Prime Day because I've been using this for 4 years now. It's good, but it does not really have like all the things that I needed. At the time, I was going the cheap route, so I just picked up the cheapest part on Amazon. But hey, I'm going to get myself a really good station and just with new soldering tool. So yeah, if you like making batteries, making electronic, it will help you a lot in the long run. Next on the list is some extra PTFE tubes and some extra coupling like this. If you ever need a replacement for your 3D printers, your tube is wearing out, or you need a new coupler for your tube, then yeah, I guess just grab like a whole pack like this. It's gonna serve you really well. Pack like this, it's gonna go a very long way if you only have like 1 or 2 3D printers. I bought this and I have not even used all of it, which is really good value. Next on the list is bearings like these. You can grab small bearings. I really never think that I need bearings for 3D printing, but just recently I picked up so many bearings. I picked up like a medium-sized bearing, and then I picked up like a large bearing, these bearing, just lots and lots and types of bearings for 3D printing. I don't know, it's just there, I just need it. But if you need something that can spin very fast, like making RC cars or like making a gearbox spin super fast, bearing is your friend. And next on the list is filament. Of course, right? You need filament in order to 3D print. So just grab yourself some extra filament on Amazon Big Prime Day. But careful, look for the deal that is actually a deal, not just like a markup with a sale, because I have seen many of those happen on Amazon right now. So what I have done is take picture of the Amazon link right now. Then what I'm gonna do is take picture during the Amazon Prime Big Day. Then after that, I'm gonna take a picture again and compare all the prices to see if they actually reduce the price during the Big Prime Day, or they just mark up the price and then say that we have a 50% discount going on. I haven't seen lots of that going on Amazon during these big Prime sales days. So you just want to make sure that it's actually legit sales before grabbing it, because sometimes without any Big Prime Day, the deal is so much better. But yeah, grab yourself some filament because 3D printing needs filament. And I'll also leave some 3D printers down below I find have actual discount. Next on the list is like a toolbox like this, just with all these tool heads, with the socket, with a power drill so that you don't have to do everything manually, which sucks. And having a box like this is just so much more convenient. You can do almost all the application that you needed. Well, yeah, that is my list of things that I'm looking forward to this big Amazon Prime Day and things that I'm going to be picking up. I think I might have missed something here on the list, but hey, I will leave everything in the description down below. What about you? What are you going to be picking up on Amazon Big Prime Day? Or are you just going to look around, browse, and see if the price is good? If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment down below. If you have something to say to me, or like things that I did not cover or anything, leave it in the comments down below. I'm going to answer all your comments. Leave a like on this video if you enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel because more amazing videos like this is coming. And if you haven't yet become a member of the YouTube channel, it helps me tremendously. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep on 3D printing.